What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Disney Springs. It's kind of loud. It's me and Fal. We're out in the town. She's eating. But we're going to see like the new drone show, Dreams That Soar. So I haven't seen it. It's been out for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks now. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully it's good. So it's interesting because they have a lot of cast members here, like directing traffic. I've never seen this at Disney Springs. It's almost like the end of fireworks, like with parade audience control at Magic Kingdom or somewhere like that. So it's interesting. They even have the yellow tape on the line. By the way, Fallon, she got a chicken bun. She wasn't trying to share, but it's all gone now. Was it good? So we parked in the orange garage, which is like in the middle of Disney Springs, and they're directing everybody who's looking for like viewing for the show all the way down towards like Splitsville and Cirque du Soleil. So we're gonna see how far down we gotta go. Dreams That Soar viewing area this way. So we're right next to the Cirque du Soleil tent. I have no idea, like, I'm assuming they're gonna be in this section. There are already quite a few people over here. But let's check it out. Let's see what they're gonna make us do. So we're over here in this like grass lawn. Fallon's over there. Fallon has no idea what the show is about. I didn't tell her anything and she doesn't pay attention to stuff. So she has no clue. But we're excited. Hopefully they turn this light off. It's really bright. But if it's in the sky, I feel like you should be able to see it from like pretty much anywhere pretty well. So yeah, we're excited. Everyone's here. The music, the playlist, the pre-playlist is giving Fantasmic vibes. The Disney Mania album. We're also hoping it doesn't rain. There's like a 70% chance of rain at 9, and those clouds over there are dark. So hopefully they started before it like torrential downpours. There are a lot of people out here. Everywhere. And this isn't even the weekend. This is a Thursday. It's Thursday, right, pal? Yeah, it's Thursday. And there's a lot of people out here. So I know the weekend is probably like a lot worse. But the show starts in 2 minutes, so I'll get back to you guys when the show starts. So they said it was delayed, but I hear ominous music, so I'm gonna record. Alright. I don't think that's the soaring music, so disregard. We'll be back shortly.
Waterfronts will be lower. For your safety and for that of others, we ask that you please remain where you are until the lighting returns to normal. Disney Dreams That Soar will take flight in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Alright, I think it's now officially started. Enjoy.
Good evening. Right here, underneath this starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, Unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
You've taken your first step into a larger work. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in. Red 5 standing by. Fire coming in, point 3. Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Commence primary ignition.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Jack. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond!
There's a place beyond the sky.
Chaos! We made it through somehow. Finally, we made it out. It's chaotic, man, after that show. We'll give you our thoughts when we get out of the mess. All right, we made it through the chaos. I'm sweating, wow. It wasn't that bad, honestly. We got through pretty fast, got to the garage pretty fast. We're gonna go to the car and give you guys our update. All right, guys, we are back home. See the door behind us. We made it back. But we didn't give our thoughts about the show, Dreams That Soar. So I'll let Fallon go first. How did you think about it?
I thought it was really cute. It was really impressive too. Like, I've never seen a drone show. Yeah. And so I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how it was happening. But it was really cool. I really liked the visuals. I think Peter Pan and Tinkerbell were two of my favorites, personally. And the Star Wars section was actually really cool too. Baby Yoda was cute. But yeah, all in all, it was quick. It was short, but it was long enough. Like, you felt like it was long enough, but it wasn't too long. So I liked it.
Cool. So yeah, adding on to Fallon, pretty much everything she said. It was cool because this was like both of our first like drone show, or like seeing it in person. Because like I've seen videos of drone shows, but like seeing how like it actually works in person is really cool. It's a lot of drones, like a lot of drones. Like it's impressive how they're able to just have all of those drones out there and manage them to create this cool cohesive show. So I loved it. I think it's really cool. I would love to see like this show on like a bigger scale, like maybe bring it into the parks one day, maybe Animal Kingdom. Who knows? Like a nighttime show at Animal Kingdom.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. But I agree. I enjoyed the Star Wars section. There was a part where the Death Star, they like showed the whole Death Star. That was super cool. But the whole show was really, really good. And like Fallon said, it didn't feel too long. It was like just enough. Like it wasn't a super long show, especially being at Disney Springs. So I think it was just what Disney Springs needed. So I enjoyed it. We both enjoyed it. But with that being said, I know this was a little bit of a shorter video, but I do still appreciate you guys for tuning in, and make sure to like it. If you enjoyed Dreams That Soar, let me know your favorite part, and subscribe. It really does help out the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging with Hamm. Peace.